Hi, welcome back to Hearty Eats, brought to you by the Heart Foundation of Jamaica and Delicious Occasions Cooking Classes. I'm Chef Latoya Panton, and we have another really delicious dish for you today. We will be making a breakfast item, and that will be French toast. Okay, so for breakfast in the morning, you may give the children a slice of bread with something, and after a while they want a change. So you can still give them a slice of bread, but this will be in a different way. So what we need to start off with is a custard. We are going to first make a custard that we will dip our bread in, and then we will fry it. So we'll start off with some milk, and your recipe will be in the link below. You can try this at home. And then we're going to add to this some eggs. So I'm going to crack 3 eggs, and these are our homegrown eggs. So we're going to add 3 eggs, and we're going to get this whisked in. So that's our egg and our milk, and we're now going to add our flavor. So we have our spices. We'll be adding some freshly grated nutmeg, some cinnamon powder, some vanilla, and a bit of salt. That was very quick. So now we whisk this together. Ensure that we get all those spices mixed in. If you don't have a whisk, just use a fork. And you want to ensure there's no more egg yolk in this once you've whisked it all out. And this is a custard now ready for our bread. So let's get our stove nice and hot, our pan nice and hot, and pour your custard mixture into a bowl that will fit the bread. And simply place your bread in the custard mixture, and then we are going to put it in the pan. So let's start off with a little softened butter, which we'll add to the pan. And we're going to cook our bread. So it's a little windy here. Let's get that all around the pan. There we go. And then we're going to just soak our bread in our custard mixture. Go. Get this nice and hot, and then we're going to transfer our bread to the pan. So just dip your bread in your custard mixture, and then you want to go ahead and put it in your pan. And we're going to cook this now until it's golden brown, and then we'll flip it over. And this is something more fun for the children. Instead of just the bread, they'll enjoy this. And we're going to serve this up with some honey. So we have some honey to serve with our French toast. So this, we're having a little challenge with the wind, but just get it nice and golden brown. And if you want to as well, serving up your pancakes, you want to ensure you're giving them a balanced meal. You can add some fruits to this as well. You can slice bananas and put on top of here. Some children may like even like some peanut butter and apples on it. You can put nuts with it. Just get creative. You can actually do loaded French toast. So if you wanted, you could have put some, I go back again, peanut butter in between and put another slice on top and flip it over. So you have like a pocket in there with something really nice that the kids will love. Nutella, children love the hazelnut spread, chocolate hazelnut spread. So you could do that. Just get creative. You could do a nutty, chocolatey French toast. So get creative and see what you can come up with. Right, that's looking lovely. So that's one side. Another tip, Don't allow the bread to sit for too long in the custard, because then it will get all soggy and you probably won't even be able to transfer it. So it's just so moisten into your pan and just get it nice and golden brown. And that's all it is for French toast. And we're going to serve this up with our honey. So we have one here, and I'll do another slice. So we're going to, again, in, flip, and out. Okay. You don't want it to get so saturated that you cannot take it back out. And if you want to, you could add a little extra melted butter in here. If you have a non-stick pan, you don't need as much fat. So there we go, just browning that up. And again, just serve this up. They may want some, depending on what they love for breakfast, they may want some bacon with this. You can also add extra egg, because per slice, we had 3 eggs here, but per slice they would be getting 3 eggs. So if you want, you could serve up some scrambled egg with it, whatever your child likes. You make it interesting. So let's go ahead and flip this. Looking good. All right. And in terms of fruits, I'm just serving up with an apple here now, guys. But again, what's in season, in Jamaica, we are blessed with an abundance of fresh fruits. Something is always in season. And when they're in season, they are more affordable. If it is that you don't have them growing at home, it's more affordable to buy when they're in season. So get our children, especially from when they're really young, get them into the habit of eating their fresh fruits and vegetables, because start the healthy habits early and they will take it with them as they grow and into adulthood. So here is our next French toast. Quick and easy. And we will serve this up with our honey, just a drizzle of honey on here, and fresh fruits. Okay, so that is our hearty recipe for today. Do join us again here on Hearty Eats. Thank you for joining us.